Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Logitech Instant Fix step by step clearly. Begin by locating the Logitech device you want to connect. Make sure your device is powered on and within range. Check if the device uses Bluetooth or a USB receiver for connection. If using Bluetooth, go to your computer or device settings. In settings, select Bluetooth and other devices. Turn on Bluetooth if it's not already enabled. Next, click on Add Bluetooth or other device. Select the option for Bluetooth. Your device should appear in the list. Click on your device name to pair. If prompted, enter the pairing code provided by Logitech. Wait for the confirmation that the device is connected. For USB receiver connection, find the USB receiver that came with your Logitech device. Plug the USB receiver into an available USB port on your computer. Your device should automatically connect once the receiver is recognized. If necessary, install any required drivers from the Logitech website. Check if the device is working properly by testing it. If issues arise, try restarting both the device and your computer. Follow any troubleshooting steps provided in the user manual if needed. Once everything is set up, enjoy using your Logitech device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.